In the next couple minutes, I'm going to walk you through the best setup for live streaming. And this is for any budget. By the end of this video, you'll know the best setup for you to get started with live streaming to any platform. So let's dive in. First, you'll need a device, preferably a laptop. You can use the software that I'm going to recommend on any computer, but obviously the newer and faster your computer is, the better. If you want a computer recommendation, I'm a huge fan of the MacBook Pro. If you want to get Apple laptops on more of a budget, you can check out the Apple refurbished store for some cheaper options. Next, you'll need a microphone. People aren't going to watch your stream if it has poor audio quality. Sorry, but it's true. A good option on a budget is the ATR 2100X. And if you're looking for more of a studio look, you can go with the Shure MV7. If you want one that looks like the Shure MV7 Plus, but you're on a budget, check out the F-Deuce SL40. You also need to purchase a stand or a boom arm with this, which will be at an extra cost as well. If you're looking for lav mics, like the ones that clip onto your shirt, I really like the DJI mics. I'm using them right now. All of these options are linked in the description along with anything else I mentioned in this video. Next, you'll want a light of some sort. You can film facing a window for natural lighting for free, and you can also upgrade to a ring light. This is going to help you light your face if you're on a budget. But to really up your game, consider softbox lights or panel lights in a 3-point lighting setup. More on that in the video linked above. This is going to make your footage look 10 times more professional. Two great options for this is the Mount Dog softbox lights or the newer panel lights, which I'm using right now. Next up, you'll need a way to capture video if you are including video in the stream. So a camera of some sort. Yes, you can use your built-in webcam. If you end up using a software that only streams in 720p, your webcam will work just fine. We're going to get more into streaming quality shortly. But let's say your software will stream in 1080p, or you want a high-quality recording of your video afterwards. You already have the camera that you can use, your phone. Another option is to get an external webcam that will attach to your computer and record in up to 4K, something like the Anker PowerComp C200. If you plan to live stream with someone virtually, you will want a pair of headphones to prevent echo. I recommend the Audio-Technica ATH-M20X, but you can also use any wired headphones lying around the house. AirPods will cause a delay, so don't use those. You'll need a stable internet connection. Check your internet speed. Head to Google, search speed test, select run speed test, and make sure that your upload speed is at least 3 megabits per second. The higher, the better. The last thing that you'll need to live stream is a software. You can do this natively on social media platforms if you want to reach a targeted audience, but you can also stream simultaneously to multiple platforms at once. When you're deciding on a live streaming software, something to consider is that you want to have the ability to stream in up to 1080p to find a balance between high quality and internet speed. There's a bunch of software on the web and for download that you can do this with, but let me tell you about Riverside. This software is going to let you easily select all of your equipment and connect it to your computer, like your microphone and even your phone camera. You'll be able to live stream simultaneously to all of these different platforms. You can also brand your stream so that it matches your style. During the recording, you'll have the ability to share your screen, add lower thirds to your stream, and even add additional media files throughout the stream. With this chat function, you'll have access to the Omni Chat, which will show all messages and chats from every platform that Riverside is connected to so that you can engage in real time. Now, what stands out about Riverside is that when you do a live stream, you'll also get a high quality recording of that live stream available to download afterwards. All of these recordings will save to the cloud, taking up no space on your computer. You'll see if you scroll down, you'll have access to download every participant, media file, screen shares, all separately, or you can use the editor and edit them together. There are tons of tools for you to use here to make your live stream recording even higher quality and engagement driving. I'm going to link a video above that will walk you through the editor and what you can do with it. You can export this in up to 4K depending on what camera you use to record, and you'll see it available to download here. You can send out this full-length video to people who missed the stream, or you can post it to long-form social media platforms like YouTube. You'll also have AI tools like Magic Clips to get clips of your recording to share out on social media, and AI show notes that will give you a summary, key takeaways, and keywords, as well as chapter markers and quotes. This is everything you need to promote your repurposed live stream online. So now you're set up. That was pretty quick and easy, right? Everything I mentioned in this video is linked below, so you can just click, order, and you're ready to go. If you're really into live streaming and content creation in general, make sure to subscribe to this channel that you're watching right now. We release videos every week designed to help you create the highest quality content. And if you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. So now you are ready to head to this playlist of videos to find out how to live stream on various platforms super easily using specific social media platforms and using Riverside. Thanks for hanging out with me. My name is Bridget, and I'll catch you next time.